Good morning, student. This is the second part of adjectives. In first part, I explain adjectives of quality and adjectives of quantity. First, a quick review of adjectives. An adjective describes a person, place, thing, or idea. An adjective provides information about the size, shape, color, texture, feeling, sound, smell, number, or condition of a noun or pronoun. In first part, we understand adjectives of quality and adjectives of quantity. In this part, we will start from adjectives of number. Adjective of number answers the question how many. Example, I met her several times. How many times I met her? Several. We have two hands. How many hands we have? Two. In the above sentences, several and two are adjectives of number. Now, what is the difference between adjective of number and adjective of quantity? There are some points. First, adjective of number depicts the number of nouns or their position or place in a certain order. Adjective of quantity expresses an approximate amount rather than the exact number. Second point, adjectives of number are used with countable nouns. Adjectives of quantity are used with uncountable nouns. Adjective of numbers can be classified into definite numeral adjectives, indefinite numeral adjectives, and distributive numeral adjectives. Adjectives of quantity are identical to indefinite numeral adjectives, but there is a difference in their uses. Next are demonstrative adjectives. We use demonstrative adjectives to point out specific people or thing, like that book is mine. Demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronouns are the same word. They are this, that, these, those. Demonstrative pronouns are not followed by nouns because they are pronouns and therefore replace the nouns. Demonstrative adjective describes a noun. This chair is broken. That car is expensive. These clothes are wet. Those birds are flying south. Demonstrative pronouns identifies something or someone. This is my chair. That is Peter's house. These are her clothes. Those are migrating birds. We can easily identify demonstrative adjective and pronouns. If there is verb after this, that, these, those, then it is demonstrative pronoun. If we are using any noun after this, that, these, those, then it is demonstrative adjective. Next are interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are used with nouns to ask questions. They are placed before the nouns. What, which, whose are some interrogative adjectives. Examples: what answer were you expecting? Which gift did Adrian recommend? Whose dog is barking? Next are possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are used to show possession or ownership. Examples: I put up my house for sale. Our school computer was stolen last week. The cat is feeding its kittens. She ties up her hair with a blue ribbon. In the above sentences, my, our, its, her are possessive adjective. They show possession. Now, difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. My. My is possessive adjective. This is my book. Your. Is this your umbrella? His. He lent me his jacket. Her. I borrowed her car. Its. Do you like my doll? These are its clothes. Our. A lot of our friends came to our party. Their house is lovely. In the above sentences, my, your, his, her, its, our, theirs are possessive adjectives. Mine. This book is mine. Yours. Is this yours? His. This isn't my jacket. It's his. Hers. The car is hers. Ours. That car is ours. Theirs. That house is theirs. In the above sentences, mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs are possessive pronouns. There are some other types of adjectives also, like proper adjective. Proper adjectives are formed from proper nouns from the names of geographical places like countries, continents, state, etc. Examples: I am an Indian, I am a Christian, Chinese toys, Italian food, etc. Second are indefinite adjective. Indefinite adjectives give indefinite information about the quantity of a noun or pronoun. Example: she had another copy with her. Some of them went out. In the above sentences, some and another are indefinite adjectives. Third are distributive adjective. Distributive adjective refers to each member of a group of noun or pronoun. Example: each one, teach one. Every book of this series is interesting. In the above sentences, each and every are distributive adjectives.